Hi everyone, today I would like to demonstrate how to send another variable from DIAView to ThingsBoard Cloud. So I will explain step by step. Okay, for the first one, right now I am using the simulator device. I add new device and I choose the simulator for testing purpose. Right now I already did, and in simulator we will have the one IO address, and I generate the random value and I link to the variable one. This is the analog data type. Okay, so I already binding it. Okay, after that, right now we are using MQTT client device to send the data from DIAView to ThingsBoard. That's why I add another device by selecting the MQTT device, data MQTT client. So if you want to connect it, you need to this one host you can find in the ThingsBoard. Okay, in ThingsBoard, you can find in check connectivity, and you will see in MQTT tab you will see this is the host address MQTT ThingsBoard.cloud and port number and the topic. Okay, V1 device telemetry. This one you need to use it. And one thing is ThingsBoard Cloud accept only the JSON format. So that's why in this test I will try to convert to JSON string format and then I will send to ThingsBoard. Okay. So for connecting to ThingsBoard, so host address I fill port number, and this username we get from the copy access token. You need to access to copy it, and then you can paste it in this username. That's all. Okay. After that, you will see you will see device DIAView. I name is DIAView MQTT, and this device will state tends to active state, and then you can test it. Okay, to check to monitor the data sending. Okay, I will delete it first. Data sending, I will check in the latest telemetry tab. Okay, so right now in MQTT also, uh, this one is the MQTT device, and you configure this the top page. Okay, view and device telemetry, and the associated variable. I choose the string format. Okay, variable 2 is string format. In variable dictionary, I have two variables. One is analog and two is string. Because we need to convert the analog value to string format. Okay, we will put it to variable 2. Variable 1 analog value data to variable 2. Okay, right now you can check statistics. Okay, right now I am variable 2 because in simulator 1 address and MQTT 1 address. So that's why total tag is 2. Okay, and for testing purpose, we need to write the script. Okay, because we need to convert the analog value to JSON string format. That's why you need to go to script section, and it has the condition script. And in condition script, I add the new script and name is level, and I link to the variable one. Okay, and you can choose the value chain mode. So if the value chain, it will always send out to the ThingsBoard. Okay, so if the value chain every time, if you want to get the data immediately, you can choose this one. Okay, so there is no time interval setting. You cannot set it time interval. So every time the value analog value chain, it will send out to ThingsBoard. Okay, this one mainly I use this toString. I write the script with the toString. So it means we change the variable one analog value to string format. Okay, and this one because in ThingsBoard we need the data key. That's why we need to specify like this level value. This analog is level value, and okay, this one. Sorry. Okay, this one variable one to string. It is the general format. Okay, general format, and I use the concatenate operator. Okay, that's all. So if you have many variables, you need to write a multi-base script. Uh, so in this session, I will test only with one variable. Okay, so after that, I will select this one first, value change mode, and I create a new window, and this one I just give for the testing purpose is the level value, and this one I use test, and I bind to the variable one. Okay, to show the data value. Okay, to show the data value. Okay, to monitor this data values. So let's see the data is successfully sent out to ThingsBoard or not. So I will run it. The simulator device will run right now 7497 and read to a string will be 45990. Right now the level is changing, right? 33. I'm using simulator device and I goes to ThingsBoard and I will monitor it. Okay, 33, 18, 84, 110, 52. So it's so fast. I just for the testing. In real case, it's not so fast. Okay. For another testing in condition script, I want to get the data periodically. Okay, this one you can change it, this setting. Okay, right now 1000 milliseconds, but I want to get the data every 3 seconds. Okay, and then I will run it again. Okay, every 3 seconds it will update it. Okay, if you have another variables, you can add in the script. Okay, and it will be updated.